Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up ADT's self-setup smart home package with app step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking the ADT smart home package. Lay out all components to ensure nothing is missing. Download the ADT Pulse app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and select Create Account if you're a new user. Follow the prompts to enter your email, password, and personal information. Once your account is created, log in with your credentials. Locate the Add Device option in the app. Choose the type of device you want to install first, such as the base station. Follow the on-screen instructions to power on the base station. Place the base station in a central location for optimal. Wait for the base station to complete its startup process. Once it's ready, you'll see a confirmation message in the app. Next, proceed to add sensors, like door and window sensors. Remove the adhesive backing from the sensor. Attach the sensor to the door or window, ensuring it's aligned with the magnet. Repeat this process for all additional sensors. For cameras, select the camera option in the app. Follow the in-app instructions to power on the camera. Connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network through the app. Test the camera by viewing the live feed within the app. Next, set up smart plugs if included in your package. Plug the smart plug into an outlet and ensure it's powered on. Add the smart plug through the app, following the prompts. Test the smart plug by turning it on and off via the app. Once all devices are set up, create automations based on your preferences. Explore the settings to customize alerts and notifications. Finally, review your entire system to ensure all devices are connected correctly. Now you're ready to use your ADT Smart Home package. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.